Today we're going to assemble a single level KARGA system as if it came to your house in this box. So we'll open it up, take out a couple carefully packaged things, a cross rod, and a KARGA deck. KARGA deck has a mat on it. Set that aside or work on it, whichever you choose. And let's unwrap what's here. We've got some legs. And KARGA parts bag. So we'll open this guy up. Pull out the little bags and the sticker. Okay, set the pork chop one aside. We're going to open the hardware bag. Take corner blocks out, set them aside, and the bolts. Okay, first thing we do is install the legs. Take two of the bolts, washers. KARGA deck, we'll tip it up and take one of the legs, come in from behind. If you're left-handed, I'm sorry, I'm doing this right-handed. Don't mean to discriminate. Slide that up and in. I can see in there that I'm lined up. And I'm going to confirm that by starting the bolt and turning it by hand. If I need to, I can wiggle the leg. If it's not turning easily, that means it's cross-threaded. Take it out and start over. It will go nice and easy. Take the Allen wrench and snug that guy up. Now you can flip this around and that leg will hold it for you. So at this point we'll take the other leg. I'll do this one from this side so you can see that socket insertion. So I kind of go up into the corner, slide it up and in. Take the other fastener, start it. Again, easy. Take the wrench, spins in nice and easy. And snug that guy up. Okay. Now we'll move on to installing the corner blocks. So with these, take a bolt and a washer, or washer bolt, and the corner blocks, they have a little slot. So you're able to slide that guy in there like that. Take the Allen wrench, and we're going to go here, like a peek, and up in there. So now the Allen wrench is holding that bolt. I'm able to do that, and nothing falls out. So we want it like that. We're going to do the bottom side first. So take this facing upward, go through the hole, right there. So that is up through. And a washer and nut. And I just spin that down until it touches the nylon. And no wrench on this side, just spin it down like that. So at this point, that's sitting there floppy, and we'll want that here in just a second. So our next thing to do, take the pork chops, these guys, and slide them onto the cross rod. The way these work, by the way, this slides up. It's not a button that you push, it's a slide. So that's the release. Okay, the way this fits, like that, this saddle up under the deck. So we're going to take this and drop into that lower corner block that we installed. And this, if I'm not hanging off the table, will all sit there. I take the second corner block and bolt. And again, same deal. Slide that guy into there. Wrench, up and in, holding. And this time I'm going to face it down, because now I'm going to go down onto here. So I'll line it up with that. I'm going to tip this in. I'll try to get it where you can see it. So what I've done is to tip that into place. It's going through, bolt sticking through. And washer, nut, spin that guy down. Okay, and at this point, we can then take, in this case, a 7/16 ratchet. End wrench works fine. Snug that down like so, and flip it over. Same thing on this side. And pop that wrench out. Easy for me to say. Okay, last thing is adjust the pork chops to a basic spacing. And you can adjust these wherever you need to fit your car or truck's child seat anchors. If you want it shifted more toward the door or off of the center hump and the floor or something, you can adjust those side to side. There you go. There's your KARGA single level ready to install. And once it is, throw the mat on.